Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your first general knowledge class. I'm your general knowledge teacher, and today is your first lecture of general knowledge. So, let me tell you about what is general knowledge. Here is a small introduction to the word general knowledge. General knowledge is a knowledge of every aspect of life. It may or not be related to your, but it is the subject which shape your personality, boost your confidence, and it make your way of thinking very interesting, and it improve your academic grades and make your conversation extremely interesting. So uh, with the help of study of general knowledge, you will able to give answer of many journal questions which were usually asked by your elders. So it is a very interesting subject. So first of all, we will come towards the June task of journal knowledge. I hope you all have got this task. First of all, come to the page of journal knowledge. So, your question number one is search the words given below from the word search puzzle. So, it is a journal worksheet for you people. So, you have to find some of the words which are given and you have to search them in the word bank. It is a puzzle game for you. So, first of all, the word is yellow. Number second word is sun. Third word is summer. The fourth is set. Then there's shine. Then hot, ray, and warm. So I have already marked one word for you. I have searched the word summer and I have underlined this word. So you have to find all the 8 words in this puzzle. That's all. You have to solve question number 1 like this by underlining or circle these words. Okay, now come towards the second page. You have a second question which is choose the correct answer. So we have some questions and you have to choose the answers and write in the blank. You have three options. You have to choose one option. Okay. So question number one is Qaid Azam was born in Dash. We have three options: Karachi, Lahore, and Peshawar. And the correct option is Karachi. I have already written number one for you, so you have to solve the remaining four by yourself. Let me explain you the remaining one. Number two is Qaid Azam went to Dash for higher education. So the correct word is England. Qaid Azam went to England for higher education. Number third is Pakistan came into being on 14th August dash. We have the three options: 1946, 1947 and 1948. And the correct option is option B, 1947. Number 4 is Qaid Azam passed away on dash 11 1948, and the options are July, August or September. So the correct option is September. The next is number 5. Qaid Azam joined Dash National Congress. The options are American, B Indian, C African. So the correct option is Indian. Okay, this is question number 2. You have to solve the question by selecting the proper word from the given options. Now come towards the question number 3. Question number 3 is write the missing letters to complete the words. So we have some words and you have to write the correct word in the blanks. Okay, so number one word is an O and we have a dash then TH. So number one word is not. The next word is universe. I have given the options for you. You have to you can take the help from these words. Okay, number 3 word is shadows, shadows. Number 4 is orbit, orbit, orbit. Number 5 word is tide. Tide, tide. Number 6 is west. West, west. Number 7 is straight. Straight, straight. Number 8 is light. Light, light. Number 9 is earth. Earth, earth. Number 10 is shape. Shape, shape. So this is question number 3. You can take the help from these words. Okay, on the next page you have question number 4. Write the cardinal directions. So you have to fill these empty blocks and you have to give the directions. So number 1 is already solved for you. The top one is north, then downwards there is south, then on the right side you have east, and the left side you have west. So you just have to write first letter of the given directions. Okay, north, south, east and west. As we know that there are 4 directions, so you have to fill these blocks according to the directions. Okay, the top one is north, the down one is south, the right one is east and the left one is west. Okay, now we have the next question. Write true or false. Okay, so question number 1 is Allama Muhammad Iqbal belonged to Kashmiri family. The next is Allama Muhammad Iqbal was not a good poet. So it is cross. So you have to put cross or you have to write false. Okay. The next is Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a great politician. It is true. Number 4 is Allama Iqbal, also known as the poet of North. It is false. Number 5. Allama Iqbal advised the Muslims to get united as one nation. It is true. Okay, we have 5 question answers in this task. You have to fill according to the question. Okay, so this was all about your June task. Now come towards the topic. Okay, we are going to start our first unit of general knowledge with chapter 1, the sun. So, as we know that our universe is made up of too many bodies. हमारी जो कायनात है ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट से और डिफरेंट बॉडी से मिलके बनी है. ओके, एंड these bodies includes the sun, the moon and the earth. These are the bodies which we can see with our naked eyes. We can see the sun, we can see the moon and we also see the earth. Let's come towards the explanation of these bodies. First of all, we have the object which is the earth. We all are very familiar with the earth. It is a planet. Okay, earth is a planet. And what is a planet? Planet is a round body which revolves around the stars. As you can see in this picture, we have 8 planets which are revolving around the sun. Sun is a big ball of fire and it is a star. Okay, and these all planets revolves around the sun. The earth is also a planet and it revolves around the earth. Earth is like a huge ball and this ball is called sphere. Okay, this shape of the earth is called Sphere means round. The earth consists of two parts. The one is land and the other is water. The land is a place where we live and we get water from the earth also. Most of the part of the earth contains the water. The earth is also surrounded by air. So, air and water makes life possible on the earth. As compared to other planets, there are little or no water on the other planets, and there is no air on the other planets too. Okay, so in this picture you can see that the earth, this is the earth, and the earth is revolving around the sun. In the middle you can see the star, and this star is called sun. And the earth revolves around the sun. The moon. The moon is also a sphere, and it is much smaller than the earth, and the earth is 50 times bigger than the moon. Earth is bigger than the moon. The moon is called a satellite, and it goes around the earth in 29 days. As you can see in this picture, the comparison of earth and the moon. The earth is bigger and the moon is smaller. Okay, now come towards the sun. The sun is like a huge ball of fire. It is made up of hot and burning gases, and all the time the sun burns with the help of gases it contains. Look at the surface, closer picture of the surface of the sun. Look at in this picture, you can see burning gases in this picture. It is like a huge ball of fire. As we know that the sun is big, so it is many times bigger than the earth and the other planets. So why do you see the sun very small? This is because the sun is very far away from the earth, so that we can see small in size on the sky. The sun is of very much importance. It is the source of two main energies. Number one, heat, and number two, light. The sun is the major source of heat, and it is also a major and the ultimate source of light. In the daytime, when there is no light, you can always see the things, and this is because of the light of the sun. So, at the night, when there is dark, there is no sun in the sky. So, without any artificial source of light, we cannot see clearly at the night time. The Earth, along with other 9 planets, revolves around the Earth. The Sun is a star and it revolves, and Earth and other planets revolves around the Sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and our solar system is called Milky Way. That's all for today. In our next lecture, inshallah, we will learn about how the season changes over the course of a year. Thank you so much.